Hello and good Sunday evening. I'm just wondering, where is my stuff? Huh. Somehow I missed my scene set fidget. It's not showing anymore. Huh. Okay, there it is. Good. Hey Vesa, how are you? I'm so disoriented. I spoke with my parents way longer than I was anticipating to do. So now I'm just like, what was I supposed to do now? But I know it's live coding, right? Right, and I can't find anything there. Bear with me. I haven't done live coding stream in a while, and it shows. It definitely shows. Also, I think I have still quite wrong stuff on my bots. So yeah, let's fix that first, and then let's start Gonzomatic and start doing something, just like something. I had a presentation about live coding at my work. It wasn't this Friday, but Friday before, and yeah, I showed how live coding can be difficult when you do mistakes that you don't recognize directly. And I think that was a good demo, because I wasn't even able to get white sphere to the screen in 5 minutes. And that was... It's always good to make mistakes in front of your workmates, I think. Okay, now I think I have stuff I want to have there. So let's start coding. Good to hear that you're fine. I hope fine is like good enough. Demo tools there. Ha. My mistake, I finally find it after some time. After the presentation, was that I was normalizing coordinates in the wrong way. Like I knew where the mistake is, I just couldn't spot it. So yeah. Let's start coding. What should we do today? But let's take the blinking off from here. Like almost off. Maybe I start with doing the same thing that I did at the presentation, but without the mistake I made. Maybe that would be a good starting point. I'm so glad that I was able to actually have this live coding stream this weekend, because I have had stuff on Sundays and I have been missing live coding streams, and yeah, that's not nice. And sometimes the stuff have been so that I haven't even remembered that I had stuff on Sunday. So I couldn't have time to notice or reschedule my mad calendar management skills. Yeah. But I guess there will be a lot of missed streams this summer anyway, because I'm moving, and that means that I actually need to have the setup moved to a different apartment and figure out everything there. Everything, anything, yeah, the same. Right, let's get rid of the plasma for a bit. So basically, here was the mistake that I made. On the presentation, I used this when I should have been using this. Because of course it's the screen coordinates that I need to do stuff with. Yay. It looks right. And that results skewed scene. Lessons learned, always start here. Always start here. Do not start writing from the geometry. That's what I did then. And that's what I most regret. So how's your week been? And how's your weekend going? Anyone here that participated outline, live or watching the stream? How was it? I wasn't home during the weekend, so I couldn't watch the stream, which is kind of bummer, but yeah, sometimes it's like that. It's funny how I was like literally shaking and scared when doing the presentation live coding, and now I'm just like, nah, never mind. It's only the internet's. It doesn't care. I was in the 90th anniversary party of Association of Automotive Engineers in Helsinki. Okay, how was that? 19 years. Wow. That's a old association. On Saturday, now recovering from it. Yeah, I bet there are a lot of people recovering from the weekend right now. Because some people might have had a long weekend. I didn't, but yeah. And then there are some people who are watching the Finland versus Canada ice hockey match that starts on this minute, I think. But yeah, I'm not watching. Usually if I watch hockey, Finland loses, so what's the point? It's better that I don't watch. Is this really a Scenes at Radio that I'm listening? I'm just like... It should be, but is it? Is it really? I'm still thinking, what should we do with this? I'm still setting up the rendering, so yeah. Or actually, I'm set up. Bleh. Can't speak. I have set up the Ray marching loop already, but yeah, I'm not drawing anything yet, which is kind of obvious. Let's take that to our background color for now. And let's do something more interesting afterwards. Oh right, we should actually do the marching. Yay! We have a black hole. That is actually a sphere, trust me. Should I start with shading, actually? And then do the geometry? Maybe. Let's start with calculating normals. What do I need here? I need the right direction. I need the position in space or normal. Whichever. Might be actually easier if I just take the normal. Or do... I don't know. And then I need the light direction. For basic phone shading stuff. It's been nice and sunny day today, but it also means that it's quite warm inside. And when I say quite warm, bit too warm for me. That's what it means. Oh right, I was doing some shading. Let's have the normals first. And then something. Almost remember what I need to do. I need to take maximum of some dot product here. And that's between the right direction and... no, normal and light direction. Now I have to go. We'll watch the ice hockey match with my kids. Have fun. No, it's right direction and light direction. See you! Of course, I can just check this. Let's find some nice color. Some shade of gray maybe. And just output this. What shall our light direction be? Let's take that kind of direction and just do this. Heh. It didn't work, right? I think it was like this. Yeah. Now it looks better. Now it's looks somewhat right, I would say. Yeah. Okay, it works. Yeah, good. I try to do stuff more and more by heart. Which means that I don't look references. I just test and see if it worked. Okay, I think it's time to lose the gradient for a bit and have a dull background color here for a bit. when I'm trying to remember something. Now I don't know what I'm doing. Now I need some kind of reference for a bit. Yeah, it is this. That I wanted. I'm trying to remember how to do fog. It's 1 minus exponential of minus distance and some times some arbitrary number like this. And then I do this. That's very not nice fog color though. I want to have something nicer. Something quite dark, bluish. Maybe something like that. Yeah. Let's see how much fog we can have. No, I think this is something like it should be like this. Well, it's the same. Is this really the same? Yes, this is really the same. Alright, we need to have something. Fog everywhere. This is what I was meaning to do. Of course, for now it doesn't matter that much. Now let's do some kind of a scene with this kind of sky, I guess. This is not really dark at all. How about this? A bit too green? Yeah, you know, it's kind of the bluish I want it to be. Yeah. Now it's a bit deeper. Let's work with the scene. Let's start with doing a sphere function, because we already kind of have one. And then what other shapes should we have? Well, of course boxes, because boxes, we always want to have boxes. Our surroundings are built with boxes. We live in these huge boxes, basically. No. I want the length of the maximum, not max of the length. And then I want the minimum of the maximums. One, two, three. What am I listening, really? For real. It's scene set. Yes. Let's see if we did the box anywhere near correctly. Now it's actually easier to see when we have the shading already in place. Maybe? If we can rotate it, we can see if it's really good or not. Yes, I think it's correct. I would kind of like to do something more physically based. But I know my computer would melt if I even tried. So I guess it's no use then. We just do what we can. Which is trying to do something interesting with what we have.
J'ai entendu dire que votre orchestre participe à l'audition qui doit avoir lieu ce soir. Pourquoi vous fatiguez, McFly? Vous n'avez pas l'ombre d'une chance, vous êtes bien le fils de votre père. Aucun McFly n'a jamais laissé la moindre trace dans toute l'histoire de Hill Valley.
Yeah.
Vous savez, l'histoire, elle va changer.
I'm just thinking maybe some kind of repetition stuff, maybe? Maybe something... But in what dimensions and how and where and what? What do we build out of this? Maybe having some kind of cube veil would be nice. Cube with cubes. Some kind of a... Well, maybe I just then do the repetition. N3 dimensions. I don't actually want to do that. Alright, I should do that. Way smaller cubes. Hehe. This always looks pretty confusing. Maybe I should do less skewed perspective. Skewed perspective. I didn't know. Also, we start to see a lot of errors here, so I want to make this offset a bit larger. Maybe this kind of... Yeah. And maybe the boxes can be a bit larger as well. And maybe we can move somewhere else where we are not exactly inside of the box. Right there. There is quite good. Also there. I don't want to repeat this forever though. I want this to repeat only a few times. So... Alright, I need to calculate the index thing for this. in this we can see in which cell we are, and we can do stuff based on the cell, which I will do later. So it's actually good that I calculated it. So if we need to stop, if we are fc dot z is larger than 10, we need to stop. Why doesn't it work? It doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Okay, this works. This is weird. Okay, right, it works like this. Oh, right, I'm facing the negative axis. Right. Now if I look there... Yes, it ends. Good. Good, 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 good. I actually want to make function out of it. Or maybe not. let's see if I can do this bound. 5 distance -5 distance 0.0 5.0 of Z. Yay, it works. Okay, good. Now I think this is quite okay. Okay. Not that exciting. Hey, where are all my windows gone? But it's not like infinite anymore, so that's good. Because I don't want to have it infinite, I want to have it very finite. Okay, I still need to figure out how to do this y-axis wise. Also, I want this to be more like ribbon-like things. Maybe there need to be some kind of blocks between. Maybe. Just maybe. No, I want to be more thick on that. It can be here too, even though I don't see it that much. Okay. Maybe a bit tighter. Yes. Maybe a bit. Let's make this more clear. These are really much of this shape. More. That is actually quite good. Yes. Maybe it'll be like this. Or these could be this. Switch the perspective. Huh. I actually like this one better. Yes. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. If it's ribbon like, those could be actually... Now it's more like this block like. But I want them to be more flat. So it needs to be even more thinner on this side. almost opaque, I would say. Okay. Okay. Now I want those to move somehow. Okay. Okay. Right, because everything will fall down if I do this. This is not good. Nope. I think I need to do this like here. After I know the C. But before I do those stuff. Let's figure out how this goes. Okay, it does something. Alright. I'm inside a box now. Am I? Yes. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Okay. The right order of things is important. Okay. I could write this so much more cleaner, but I'm not doing that now. All right, those are moving. Nope.
So I win, right?
Wrong row.
Yes,
Are you awake?
I hope so.
I'm not awake,
Hello, everyone.
and there is something
Welcome
happening.
to Scenes from the Berg. I'm Steph.
And I
think
Deadman.
it's
Deadman too on
Some kind of a scene
And
set.
now we are happy
thing.
to finally
So we are
be doing
actually
the show
switching music right now to this kind of a demo tool, best of mixes. I'm choking on my tea. It's not good to choke on your tea, I mean. I need an identity to those blocks that stays even that they move around the space. So I need to omit the Y. Yeah. That's it. That's what I need to do. I haven't downloaded the new music from demo parties thing. I know it's up. My product has done best of demo parties 2021 mix. Should I retrieve it? Maybe. Maybe we can listen that. Music from demo parties 2021. Yes. Let's listen that. Okay, so let's omit this is a bit loud still. Let's omit the Y there, and before that let's just make this a little bit, maybe that's good level. And let's do something more to those colors too. I don't know. What if I do this? Well, now it's at least consistent. But it's not good at all. What if I didn't do the smooth step here? What would it be? Okay, there would be a bit more shades. Let's add something to it, and then let's shade it a bit. that. I don't know what I'm doing. I should probably do some kind of palette here. I should use the palette thing that I know at least. I know at least IQ does and or has, and I can just dig it out. Palettes, palettes, palettes. I need palettes. Simple color palettes. Yes, this is what I want. So the method I use is documented here. It's basically a way to make this kind of cosine based palette. But as I'm not that good with math, I still need that reference to actually do that palette. So let's see what goes into it. So yeah. So we need some kind of thing, which is float, and then we need some kind of vectors that are A, B, and C, and D. And based on these we can have some kind of nice color palettes. A plus B times cosine. I think that's kind of 2 times pi. I don't have pi here. But let's have it here like this. Times C times T plus D. And this should produce some kind of palette. Has no statements. A plus B times cosine 6.28 times C times D plus D. Huh. What? One. Oh. Oh, right. This should have been on parentheses because of the plus thing. Okay. Now we just need to invent some cool vectors here. Which is based on some nice stuff. So let's start with defining the A vector as, yeah, T what should I put on T there? Alright, it's the thing. I would need actually 2, but let's go with 1. Let's go with x-axis first, and then A could be 0.5. Writing what I'm thinking and not what I should write. B can be 0.5, and then maybe C can be 1, and D is something like this. And this is completely IQ's magic. Okay, this is now times 10 maybe. Oh right. There's still this. Can I do just... I don't... I bet this doesn't work. It worked. What the actual... Okay, never mind. Never mind. And then I just like find a nice multiplier here. This is nice. The palette that I usually use is a bit different. It's basically very similar palette than this, but this is a bit different. And also these are a bit different. Here you can see how it changes. This is actually quite nice as well. Let's move this too. And this. So basically, oh, this is not the palette, this is the palette that I use notoriously much. But yeah, thank you IQ for the palette function. And also for the vectors. There. Now I need to move the camera a bit because this is a very bad view. Oh well, so is this. Maybe something like this would have been better. And even... How about this? Too much tilted. aliasing, if I do that, is kind of not that nice. I should have some other indices here if the thing is 0, because, yeah, the length isn't the best thing determining what we are doing here. Oh, this is basically length. Now I could do some kind of noise seed from this. Maybe some random. I need a random function here. That's what I need. Okay. That's just what I need. Would I have a good random function? Well, there at least. Or a source to a good function there. Digging my resources. Okay. I want the 2 out, 2 in, 1 out. There it is. Okay, we have a noise function here. It's get, which is get, and that's from this kind of shader toy. Here, some noise functions. Do I have? Okay, so yeah, it doesn't have scale now. So let's see what happens if I just do this. Yay. Yay. Oh, by the way, Could I have done... Where do I move it? Here. Maybe here I can still use Y here. No, I can't. Of course can't, because... And if I use it here... Well, of course, it doesn't work because it's calculated there. But here it's better because when cutting out the stuff, it's probably still wiser to do here. This seems to be very, like, just testing out things stream today. Now it can feel like it's infinite even though it isn't. Okay, I do that here. Okay, so if I want to do the rotation, I need to do it here too. Nope, 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 nope. Right. Not the right place for a rotation. Not the right place. Can I? No, I couldn't, because that would break that. Because I want to move rows, but... Huh. Well, basically I can just do this. Oh, right. I shouldn't use that index. Maybe this one. Let's see how the stream is handling this. Quite okay, I can see. The idea for this was this kind of installation where there was these rainbow ribbons on a cube, and you could walk through it. It was kind of intense. This is of course not the same, and there's the gaps because I wanted there to be gaps, but the idea is similar. I'm quite happy with this, actually. I feel that it's quite kind of simple, but still really nice. Yes, I'm happy with this. Now let's do some fine-tuning with the colors. Okay. I hope I didn't do anything with that. Just tiny amount of motion blur. Tiny amount. Because I still think it's kind of suitable for this. And with this, I think it's good time to start finding someone to rate. Anyone to rate. Anywhere. And Twitch. Anyone doing programming? Because that would be nice. How can I find with categories? Okay, there I could find at least something. People are doing digital art. How about programming? Okay, there are people doing programming live. Someone is doing a shader compiler. Maybe we should go there. Because it's kind of topical, right? Well, I think we can go there. And see people doing some Vulkan coding. This is like the wild raids where I don't know who to rate. So let's go there. Why not? So, I'm gonna wish you good night and see you again on next Tuesday with some music. This time for real. Have a good night.